Permentilla rejected. And that is the first point. Bad pass from De Guzman, and now Delerio, Permentilla collide, but Delerio, make that Permentilla with a good hit. Is an easy over coming from the Foxies. Martinez has to get going. Robbins Hardy to Rousseau, and the dump is good.
And this is a strong rotation to start this.
Good serve by Molina. The confidence of the Foxies rising with each and every point they score here in set 4. Permentilla. Oh, Permentilla, meantime, single-handedly starting out instructions.
He knows they will need the set.
Yeah.
They don't want to give next line another opportunity.
Rousseau, another top spin shot. That one, the drop right down the middle. 32 points now for Eli Rousseau. We're tied at 4. A bad pass for De Guzman as we go courtside to Jules Israel.
Not consumed by the bigger goals, but focusing on the little things first that can give them a chance to win. In the huddle, he urged the Foxies to be quick in their attacks and to do so with strong.
That they'll get this fourth set, but they're in a much better position now. They're doing it both on offense and defense. That's offense. Right before that was a block by Rousseau. You know, the ballpark of what she can do.
Yep. Clearly, some killer instinct coming from Rousseau.
From the pipe there, Permentilla right on Robbins Hardy. Can't pop it up.
Perman.
1-2 for Maraguinot. Tubu with the drop. Popped up by Atienza. Tubu picks it up. Robbins Hardy to Molina, who will get the point.
Too strong that time for the net defense.
We know that's far below
her usual.
The numbers that Molina puts up. That's a short pass coming from Permentilla. Lian de Guzman blazes that one through Tubu and Robbins Hardy. Short pass from De La Cruz. Molina with a drop. Easy pickup for Martinez. What a dig for De La Cruz. Molina picked up by Jorvina. Permentilla punches it through the double block. Tubu pushes De Guzman to Jorvina to Permentilla. That one high enough for Robbins Hardy to pick up. But the overpass. Chance ball here, Permentilla. Oh, what a series of saves for the Foxies. Robbins Hardy to Tubu. Long rally in the making here, Permentilla. This one off the block. Permentilla collapses. 3 service faults. Underhand pass for Robbins Hardy. Tubu hits it. Martinez. Oh, gets it to trickle over the net. Good serve. Martinez. Cross-court hit. Easy dig for Tubu. Permentilla. Right now is a top scorer for the Chameleons with 16. Permentilla hits again. Yes, 17 now for Chiara Permentilla. Good idea for Maraguinot. 2 great passers in the back row for the orange shirts with Monares and Jonella.
Exactly. Strong rotation here for them.
Delerio with coverage. Here's Martinez. Monares passes to Rousseau, who's fresh off the bench. And Rousseau will score again. 34 now.
It looked like she was going to...
Molina now with 7. Closing in on a double-digit performance today. That hit is on the line. Good serve all the way to the back row. Martinez. Easy pickup for Riza Cruz. Rousseau got it again. 35 now for Eli Rousseau. With Monares back in.
Yep. I mean, Cesc Molina also a good passer.
Rousseau. Low, high, doesn't really matter for Ellie Rousseau. 36 points now.
Yes.
Full front line for Robbins Hardy. But that one clipping the line, so a side out for the Chameleons. Dubu. Got it.
Through the block. That time for Trisha Tubu. Created every time she commits an error.
15 serving 18. Tubu. That is point number 9 for Trisha Tubu, closing in on a double-digit performance. Wow, what is a good serve all the way to Delerio. Permentilla. Rousseau with a pass. Molina. Yeah, Molina now with 8. After the 5 service faults of Rousseau, by the way. Tubu. Got it. Now with 10 points. Second player in double digits. Trisha Tubu for the Foxies.
In terms of offense.
2 straight points for the Chameleons. Monares to Molina. And Molina will get 9 points already. 9. Looking for her first ace today. Permentilla. Wow. What a game for Permentilla. 18 points. She's keeping it a ball game. Only down by 3 points, the Chameleons. Rousseau. Up by Jorvina. De Guzman rejected. Jorvina keeping it alive. And Martinez will send it over. Chance ball for the Foxies. Rousseau. He gets her 37th point. Well, I don't think so. They're 2 points away. Yep. Yeah. Unless this gets extended. Well, De Los Reyes.
So really nothing to worry about.
Good serving from Dike. 1-2 for Alohi Robbins Hardy, her 6th point, and it is.
Point to be at match point. So really nothing to worry about.
Good serving from Dike. 1-2 for Alohi Robbins Hardy, her 6th point, and it is 3 match points for the Foxies.
And despite the height of Alohi, it's actually surprising.